APC presidential candidate Tinubu's son, Seyi Tinubu, is about to send Nigeria once again to the Fulani as he met with Miyetti Herdmen Association. Say his father is ready to work with the Fulanis. The visit was to seek the association's support for the presidential bid of his father. He called on the youth to vote for the APC during the February 25 and March 11 general election. Seyi made this known on Thursday when he visited Alhaji Abdullahi, national president, Miyetti Allah Association, in company of the Tinubu and Shettima's group. As you may know, Buhari and his regime have been working with Fulani elders, and we know what has happened in Nigeria. So many things have before Nigeria: killing, kidnapping, bombing, raping of our women, and many more. Now Seyi is pushing his father to work with the Fulani again so they can continue where they stop and start killing the innocent Nigeria that is working hard for their daily bread.